What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about simple Canva tutorial using lines and shapes. So what we'll do first is we'll open a Canva, and for those who are not aware, Canva is a website that is used for designing posters, social media content, logos, etc. It is beginner friendly and has a lot of templates. So today I just want to make a simple video with shapes and lines that are used to explain to young people. So we'll start with a blank video template. You can go ahead and change the background color. So on your left, you choose elements, and then choose lines and shapes. Adjust the weight of the line and choose the right arrow, then the left arrow. Once you're done, you choose line. Now by default it will align to the first line you had picked. So move it and adjust the size. Since we'll need more than one line, we'll duplicate it several times. Select all of them, then click on position, then align vertically. So the other options for aligning the lines on the line that I'm drawing. So there is the middle, which will align your lines on the middle. There is tidy up, which will give them sort of an even spacing between them. It will distribute them almost evenly. So now here we have our number line. You can select everything by click shift and each item, or simply by clicking one end of the number line just slightly away and drag across the whole number line. Click on group so that we can work on it as one object instead of small separate objects. This will also help us to move when moving the number line around. Next, we'll pick a heading to insert our numbers. We'll edit it out and insert number 1 and add anything else that you'd like color, font weight, and things like that. Once we have this, we do not need to repeat the process. We'll simply replicate the number severally for up to the number of times we would wish. Edit out the number, then distribute across your number line. Drag using the dragging handles. So that way the dragging handles make it easy for you to move around the numbers. Once our number line is done, it's time to give it some work. So let's add a math question. Since I'm doing this for lower primary, that's first graders to third graders, I'll incorporate a lot of color. I also use different shapes to draw attention of the learners. Now we will have our number line looking like this. So we'll then click on elements again, select line and shapes, then semicircle, stroke arc ornaments. We'll resize, increase its weight, change its color, then we'll copy paste it severally. So we'll group the arcs into a circle. We'll click on the semicircle and insert them above the numbers. We'll also change the color and then copy paste it. I also animated the elements so that they'd appear as if they were bouncing when the video is played. Once we have finished, click on the download button. You'll be given a suggestion on the best download option. In this case, it's a video, so the best download option is MP4. So in order for you to see how it came out, kindly watch the other video that I did on working on number lines, and you'll see how this whole process turned out. So once you wait for a few seconds, you'll have your download ready, and there you have it. So there we are done. That is our end product. A video using Canva and using shapes and number and lines. So if you like this kind of material, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.